Alright, so I'm going to show you how to put on the case and the protector from this kit that I got off of Amazon. So basically it comes with, to start with, it comes with two wipies. One's wet and one's dry. The number one is the wet one. Number two is the dry one. So basically you just take your wet one, open it up and wipe the face off. Get anything that's on there. Just want to wipe it real good. And then you're going to want to get your dry one, open that up, and then dry that off. Probably should have had the dry one already open, so the wet wouldn't dry as fast, but whatever. So you can do either way, whatever, I guess. So yeah, then just wipe it dry, and then put your case on. And you want to do that first before you put the protector on. That'll give you a good centering point for your clear protector that comes in the case, or comes in the kit. So basically get your case on, and then what I did is I just wiped it again. Wipe it with your wet, and then go back over it with your dry. And then this is a little, it's like a little sticker, basically. So just grab the big one and then just stick it to the screen, and it's basically like a lint remover. So just stick it on the screen and just start pulling it off, and then it'll get the fine little lint particles off the screen. And just go around the outside and then fill in the middle. And then next you're going to get your actual screen protector. And it's going to come with a little tab on the side, so that you're going to peel that off. And that's going to be the back side. So you want to grab your suction cup right here. So grab your suction cup, and what you're going to do is you're going to suction cup to the middle of the face of the screen protector. Okay, and then basically I'm just going to hit it one more time with the dust remover, lint remover, little sticky thing. And peel off the back, hold it by the suction cup, and then just center it. And then once I got it centered on, I just kind of left it, let go of it, and then I pushed right in the middle, and you'll see it. You'll see the air pocket and bubbles and stuff. They'll just kind of go to the outside, and then once you get that on there, gently peel up the suction cup with like your fingernail or something, and then check for any other air bubbles or whatever. And if there is, you can just push it out to the side, and then you should be good to go. And then I just kind of wiped Wiped the screen off with a wet little towel and then dried it, and it came out pretty good. I had a little stubborn spot right there, but it came off. So, yeah, came out good. There you go.